मिठाई खाइए। क्रेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट में 2 BHK बुक किया है। अरे मुबारक हो भाई, लेकिन उसके पीछे तो डंपिंग ग्राउंड आ रहा है ना। क्या? किसने बताया नहीं? अरे ब्रोकर्स हो या बिल्डर्स, सब पॉजिटिव बोलते हैं यार।
How is it going, guys? This is Siddharth here, and you're watching my vlog. Well. This is the Churla Ghat Road from North Goa to Belgaum, and I was here in Goa for a day, for almost a day, you can say. I had come from Pune to Kolhapur, and Kolhapur to Goa to just explore stuff here. And after spending nearly a day, I am going back to Belgaum to resume my work. I wanted to shoot this since a long time because this road, is beautiful landscapes. Beautiful forest and greenery. And this road is, was not really good until recent times. I think they have done a new road here. And I can see that there are some yellow leaves fallen here because of autumn, and it will be spring right now after the first rains here. And you can see these beautiful curvy roads here. I personally love this awesome road. I mean, like, I've been driving on this one since my childhood, and I love coming over here in these, driving on these roads, passing this lush green mountain. I was driving here in our old Maruti, and I've driven my dad's I-20 on my Polo earlier, and now this monster machine, but all of these, or whatever car I've driven here, I mean, like, I've always enjoyed this belt, and driven it like crazy, even in dense fog and rainy seasons. I've really enjoyed driving on this road, and I have been, I think I'm blessed to be born in this area, and to get to drive on these roads. Such a beautiful scenic roads you can see here. So while coming back, while coming from Goa, I was driving from Nipani Azra and Amboli Road. That was also another beautiful road. That was just last evening. So I was coming from Kolhapur, and I took that road, Nipani Azra Link Road, and then from Nipani Azra Link Road to from Nipani Azra Link Road to Amboli, and from Amboli to Madgaon, and again after going to South Goa until Dabolim International Airport, I am coming back to Belgaum. So I have kind of traveled the entire length of Goa. You can say I've dissected into two parts. Such has been my journey, coming from north of Goa to south of Goa, and again coming back to almost the north of Goa, and traveling the entire length of it. There's still a lot of lovely beaches and spots that I have to explore, and in meanwhile I'm going to do it. Not only these beaches, but also in Maharashtra. I'd been to Alibag last week, I think, and it was beautiful driving down there. Kashid beach was really wonderful, and it gives me a lot of it gives me a lot of I would like to use the word experience. No, it gives me a lot of it gives me a sense of satisfaction, and it gives me a sense of satisfaction and a lot of happiness that I'm able to travel this much on these roads. I'm able to travel my heart out. I'm waiting for the day where I can travel to other parts of the country, wherein I can gain much more experience and see a lot of cultures and other many small villages and towns, and the living over there, basically the people and the food there. I had read a quote somewhere that traveling is like taking a journey within yourself. It's like taking a journey within you. You remember some things from your past, from your childhood, and to be honest, it humbles you down. The nature, the forces, the whole scale of the universe, the world, it humbles you down so much that you can always think of yourself that you are just a speck of dot in this massive scheme of things going on.